Hello, everybody, and thanks again for joining us today, and welcome to the Blockchain Almanac Weekly Report. And as usual, let's start by taking a look at the Blockchain Benchmark Index. And as of the close of yesterday, the index was up 0.65%. For the week of August 19th through the 25th, the Blockchain Almanac Index was down 5.49%. This was surrounded by the same news that has caused volatility in the markets for the past few weeks: US and China trade wars, inverted yield curve, protests in Hong Kong, global slowdown in Brexit, plus this week's Jackson Hole speech by Fed Chairman Jerome Powell stating that he is carefully watching developments but stops short of any specific interest rate moves. The S&P over the same 7-day period was down 2.62%, outperforming the blockchain benchmark by 2.87%. Year-to-date numbers, the blockchain benchmark is up 92.95%. The S&P is up 13.57%. The blockchain benchmark continues to outperform, be a diversifier, and show low correlations to traditional equity and fixed income markets. Now looking at top network stats for the week, here we're looking at change in price and market cap for the top blockchain networks over the last 7 days. The Lumens coin, the native currency on the Stellar network, is the only network with an increase in price up 1.03% and shows further positive activity for blockchain technology for cross-border money transfers with low fees. Looking at market dominance of the top currencies, Bitcoin continues its market dominance, making up over 2/3 of the overall market cap, raising questions on the long-term viability of altcoins, followed by Ethereum, Ripple, and Bitcoin Cash. The top network transaction data, it's interesting to see that although Bitcoin has over 68% market cap, some of the smaller networks have a significantly larger number of daily transactions relative to their overall smaller market caps. Specifically EOS token, the blockchain upon which some of the most active decentralized applications or dApps are being built on and benefiting from several active gaming apps. Our weekly moneymakers list, we look at the value of new cryptocurrency added to circulation via mining and staking. Some of the standouts are Algorand, a Boston-based network with a pure proof-of-stake consensus mechanism that was founded by Silvio Micali, a leader in the field of cryptography, adding 10.13% of new circulation this week. And USD Coin, a stablecoin created by Coinbase and Circle, up 4.42%. Now for our top headlines of the week. Amazon cloud outage causes major technical problems for major cryptocurrency exchanges. Rumors spread that major backers of Libra are considering leaving the project. Increasing Ethereum transaction costs threaten to limit the Ethereum adoption. Securitize receives approval from SEC to record stock transfers. And Ethereum announces plans to join the Hyperledger project, an influential blockchain consortium run by Linux Foundation. Ethereum is poised to become the first major public blockchain to join the project. In this week's featured companies section, where we hope to highlight some of the most innovative companies in the blockchain space, this week we want to highlight GrayChain. GrayChain is the first cryptocurrency credit bureau developing automated credit reports for crypto lending companies. Their credit algorithms score addresses rather than identities and will allow lenders to provide their customers with better and more secure loan options. And now for the Blockchain Almanac Fun Fact of the Week. In November 2011, 500,000 Bitcoins were moved to a single address. At the time the funds were sent, the value is $1.32 million. Today, this is worth over $5 billion, making it Bitcoin's largest transaction ever. Now, Bitcoin has come a long way since then, and these types of enormous transactions are now much more rare and far less suspicious than in the past. So that concludes our weekly report. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you heard, please like this video and visit our website at blockchainalmanac.com for the latest news and research on all things blockchain.